today we have a very charming personality with us, Subhashri Padi, Assistant Managing Director of Cyber Kings India. Welcome, Subhashri, to our show.
Thank you, Alina. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I am too.
Okay. So, firstly, I want to ask you one thing, that how challenging is the position of an Assistant Managing Director?
Okay. So, to be frank, uh, before some time I was searching for HR position. So, at that time, I got to know about this position,
Oh,
that is Assistant Managing Director. First, I was not aware of that position. Okay. But later on, I came to know about that position, that roles. So at that time, I felt so much familiar with those roles. And later on,
okay.
I thought to join, and I cleared the interviews. And when I started with my roles, it was like very supporting. Means I was getting so many supports from my senior, that is Atul Jojo sir, and I never felt anything like challenge because. One of my teacher told me that there will be many obstacles in your way. Never change the challenges. Always challenge to the changes. So I love to challenge those changes. And yeah, to be real, if I have to say, then yeah, when you are sitting down on a position like assistant managing director, it's quite like difficult. It's the starting. I'm not saying it's difficult, because it is similar to the managing director position. You have to do the all roles of a managing director. You have to be that much capable, that much responsible, and you should have that capability to take the risk. Okay, so this is quite challenging for me, but yeah, I love to take this challenge and I am doing great. I think so.
I think most of the people try to apply for HR manager, right?
Yeah, yeah. Because
Zyadatar.
my specialization is HR. So at that time, I was searching for some intensive in HR field. And to be frank, I don't know, I don't have any idea. I was not aware of those things like assistant managing director, where it lies, this position, where this position lies in an organization actually. But later I came to know about this position, and seriously, I am happy that I am here to be in this position. It's quite very difficult or quite dream for me, but yeah, it's really familiar to me.
Okay, so you have been working in Cyber Kings India since last 7 months, I guess. So how do you think how Cyber Kings India is different from other companies?
Other companies, see, I will not say any other company's name. I don't want to compare with other company. But yeah, I want to say about some about CKI. That is, CKI always works by its heart. Okay. Why I am saying this line? Because personally, I experienced that it always think about others. Okay, about nation, about its employees. It always gives that much freedom to each employee. Means whoever working here in that position, they are thinking that yeah, we are doing a work under a position, and we have that much freedom, independence to take a decision. See me, I am in the position of assistant managing director. Suppose you are in that position, but you don't have independence or freedom to take some decisions, then you will not satisfy with your position, right? So, Sikai gave me that
Yeah.
personal value, that means it made me what I am
Hmm.
today. Okay, and it's really I love personally I love this company very much. I think I will be here for a long, and yeah, that's all about this company. And yeah, one more thing, its employees, coming to its employees, they are very supportive. Whenever I lack something, lack in something, they feels me like they make me feel happy. So yeah, one more thing I want to say, CKI, in CKI every day there is a discussion session. So that discussion session is like chilling up with other people's, chilling up with your colleagues. So when you are working for a long, the whole day, that 1 hour make you. So that is the thing all about CKI that I love most.
Completely. We also hope that you stay with us for a long time. So, who is your favorite person in CKI?
Okay, so it is quite difficult to answer this question because there is no one. There are many, but yeah, I will to say two names. Uh, but one is my best friend, so I can take her name in other way. But yeah, the best personality, if I have to say, is Atul Jojo, the managing director of CKI. What I love him the most, he's brother like to me, and uh, he always call me like Chechi, and we are like friends, Tom and Jerry. Okay, um, and from the starting, when I entered to CKI, before two or 3 days, I have gone through his profile actually, and in a social media page, his status was like, "Don't talk much. Only talk with me when some official need will be there." So I was thinking he's so serious, and he don't like to talk much with others, uh, with irrelevant topics. But when I entered to CKI, I came to know about him. Actually, he is very calm, quiet, and sweet personality. A little kid or a child inside him. Okay, always he is behaving like cherished personality. You told me, you introduced me like charming. He is more than me. Means he is charming more than me, and yeah, he's the best personality. And I will say another name. That name is Lopamudra Purohit. He's my bestie. We are studying in a same university, was specialization in HR, and she is like very cute, kid, like kid. She behaves like mature. To be mature, she is acting like to be mature, but she is not mature. She is like very cute and calm, but yeah, I will not say like not mature. Whenever I feel that I need someone beside me, she always there to handle me in those tough situations, and I can't live without her. So these two people are very close to me. Yeah.
Great, great. I
Yeah.
guess I knew the answer when I asked the question. I knew these two were gonna be the names. So, when we can see Subhashri Padi as an entrepreneur?
Okay. So I don't know exactly where these questions are coming from, but yeah, I don't know if entrepreneur, but I see myself as more skilled person, more professional in my position. Want to uh, want to be in every position, different position in a company, and I don't know exactly about to be an entrepreneur, but yeah, to be an entrepreneur, you need that much skill, that much courage, and yeah, I have that much courage to be. But I want to devote my next years to gain or to learn more things. Then maybe I will be an entrepreneur surely.
Great, great. We love to see you as an entrepreneur. So this was a great
Thank you.
session. We had some great question and answers with you. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you, Elena. Same here.
So I guess we have come to an end to this session. So we'll end this here. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Elena. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.